Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you a little Easter egg that you probably did not know about Google Chrome. Okay, so I'm going to go temporarily offline for a minute. And I'm just going to disconnect from my Wi-Fi for a minute. Because in order for this to work, you can't be connected to any home broadband network. In fact, you can't be connected to any network, no hotspot, no nothing. Then I'm just going to minimize this window here. Close that window there. And what you want to do is you want to open up Google Chrome. And then obviously I'm not connected to the internet, so it's not going to load up any web page that I search for. So just give that a moment to load up. This is actually quite a cool Easter egg. Yeah, so it's such a cool Easter egg, and I think you guys are going to like this. So basically, if you see this screen that says no internet and you got the dinosaur, just simply press the spacebar. Then this is actually a game, guys, and then you have to basically jump over the trees, whatever they are, and then you can't hit the trees, basically. So this is basically all the Easter egg is. Basically just a game. But I only found this out about a year ago, 2 years ago, when I saw the dinosaur, and then I just started pressing loads of random keys. Then I actually pressed the spacebar, then the thing started moving, and I was like, what the hell is going on? And it turns out this is actually a game. Then if you die, then just press the spacebar. Yeah, then the game will start again. You can use the spacebar to move up, or the arrows. Then if you go further and further in the game without dying, it actually turns into dark mode. Then you see like a bird. Then if the bird's up in the sky, then you press the down arrow to dark. But then if it is down below, then you got to jump over it. Oh, I died again. So that is basically all the Easter egg is. If you guys want to check that out, I do recommend you do that. So these are basically the steps again. If you're connected to any home broadband network, just like I was, just click on it. Then underneath it will say disconnect. Obviously mine says connect because I disconnected from mine. But just click disconnect. Then give it a moment and you should see that thing there. Look, basically like the sun. And then it should say no, not connected. Connections are available though. Then once you've done that, open up Google Chrome. Then the first page that loads up, which is obviously going to be Google or Bing or whatever your search engine is, it'll come up no internet with like dinosaur. Press the spacebar and a game will actually start. It's basically like Flappy Bird, except you've got to jump over things. Where Flappy Bird you went through tubes. Anyway, that's basically it for now, but that is all the Easter egg is, and it is quite a cool Easter egg, not gonna lie. So, yeah, if you guys want to check that out, feel free to like and subscribe to my channel, please. Also, leave a comment if you want to, but I don't really care about comments. I mean, comments are good, but I mainly care about subscribers and likes. Yeah, so you can leave a comment if you want, not really bothered about that though, so you don't have to leave one if you don't want to. See you in the next video, guys. Bye-bye. Thank you.